Welcome to Buzzin' About 10, a production of BusyBeeFun.com, your source for free fun under the Arizona sun for your baby and toddler. Today's episode takes Busy Bee and Dora Tompkins to the many different open houses for Eagle Wings crafts, all the little mini trains that are running in people's backyards. Here's a mini train Grand Canyon line. There he goes, there he goes. This house is full of trains. It's all here. The Wild Eagle Railroad.
You want to run a train? Okay.
Tiny mini train sets everywhere. It's really cool.
I'm definitely not.
Here's the other side of the backyard, full of little trains and a little mini town. Waterfalls. Here comes another train. Busy Bee thinks these are lots of fun. Here goes the Lego train. And this concludes today's episode. Come back to BusyBeeFun.com for all the free fun. For now, we're buzzing out.